I spent that money.
Kanjikclub wants their investment back too.
I never made a deal with Kanjikclub.
Tell that to Kanjikclub.
I have an army.
We have a Hulk.
Tell that to Kanjikclub.
Hello. My name is Inigo Montoya. You killed my father. Prepare to die.
Tell that to Kanjikclub.
I am a Jedi, like my father before me.
Tell that to Kanjikclub.
Are you kidding? Dude, I catch falling planes in midair like every other week. And I'm Batman.
Tell that to Kanjikclub.
I forgot one very important thing, mate. I'm Captain Jack Sparrow.
Tell that to Kanjikclub. Tell that to Kanjikclub.